The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Clinton County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Washington County in south-central Illinois, northeastern Jefferson County in east-central Missouri, until 9:45 a.m. At 3:40 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing a heavy rain across the warned area. Additional rainfall of 1.0 to 2 inch are possible between 1:41 a.m. and 2:50 a.m. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. The following impact are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpass, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding includes Chesterfield, O'Fallon, Hazelwood, Overland, Jefferson City, Normandy, Highland, Fairview Heights, Carlisle, Keysport, and Trenton. This includes Interstate 38 in Illinois between exits 219 and 224. This also includes Confluence State Park and the Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. Turnaround: don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.